Are you invested in Motilal Oswal or planning to invest? Well, this video might just help you make the smartest decision today. Motilal Oswal is not just a broking house, it's a powerhouse with multiple business verticals. But is it really doing the right business? Can it reach rupees 1200 in the coming months? Let's find out. So in today's video, I'll break down the SWOT analysis of Motilal Oswal, its strength, weakness, opportunities and threats, and we'll also talk about its future price target and how's it compared to its peers like Angel One, Bajaj Finance, ICICI Securities. So watch this video till the end. So here's the SWOT analysis of Motilal Oswal, where the strength of Motilal Oswal is its diversified financial service, like the company operates in broking, wealth management, asset management, PMS and home finance, offering many services under one roof. And they also have strong research team with over 20 years of research experience and coverage on 250 plus companies. Clients get solid advice to make informed decisions. And Motilal Oswal is a trusted brand, a legacy of 30 plus years presence across India with 2,500 plus locations and millions of clients. Because of consistent growth in PMS and mutual fund businesses, they have high asset under management. Talking about its weaknesses, Motilal Oswal earns most of its money from stock market related activities. So when the stock market does well, the company earns more. But if the market crashes or slows down, their income drops quickly. Also, Motilal Oswal faces high competition. Compared to tech-first players like Zerodha and Angel One, Motilal Oswal lacks in digital technology. Motilal Oswal, as a non-banking financial corporation, and in lending businesses, carries housing loan risk. Like there is a lot of market risk and higher credit risk involved in housing loan businesses. Opportunity shows that the surge of new investors is entering the stock market, providing massive growth potential for broking and mutual fund services. And the company can scale much faster if they improve their digital platforms. And also Motilal Oswal is expanding beyond its core businesses like stock broking and mutual fund. It is now entering new areas such as real estate, alternative investment funds and portfolio management services. So they are kind of strengthening their position in the wealth management and investment ecosystem. Talking about the threats of Motilal Oswal is that in a bearish market, companies' earning can decline sharply. And any new SEBI or RBI guidelines could directly impact business operation. And players like Zerodha, Grow and Upstock offer low-cost services and are capturing large market share. So now let's compare Motilal Oswal with some of its key competitors like Angel One, Bajaj Finance and ICICI Securities. These are the few companies which I am comparing with Motilal Oswal because they have the same business model, they are the direct competitors. So first, when compared Motilal Oswal with Angel One is major broking firm with strong retail presence, tech platform and similar client base, and ICICI Securities provide full service broking, wealth management and PMS on large scale. Whereas Bajaj Finance is a diversified lender, but its investment service is indirect and less active. Like it does not compete strongly in stock market related services like Motilal Oswal. So when comparing for stock market exposure and deep wealth advisory, Motilal Oswal stands out stronger compared to Bajaj Finance. But Bajaj Finance excels in consumer lending like personal loans, EMI, finance, credit cards, etc. So SME and commercial lending, fixed deposit and insurance distribution, etc. Bajaj Finance has Bajaj FinServe app, a digital platform where users can invest in mutual funds, FDs, etc. So from this comparison, my key takeaways are: Angel One focused is on bulk discount broking. Angel One has a very fast growth, like 5 years CAGR is 67%. And as mentioned, Angel One has low debt to equity ratio of 0.6, but recently profits have shown a declining trend. So the challenge for Angel One here is recently they have a lower profitability growth and they have high competition. And talking about ICICI Securities, it has excellent return on equity of 42%, has a stable profitability and has strong dividend yield of 3.2%. However, valuations is high, both PE ratio and price to book ratios are elevated, and also ICICI Securities are more conservative in growth and they are partially priced in. Growth is steady but slow, and ICICI Securities trends are already reflected in its current stock price. And lastly, Bajaj Finance is a massive scale diversified financial services. It has a huge asset under management of 4.41 lakh crore, grew 25% year on year. So now where is Motilal Oswal positioned? Motilal Oswal has a good ROE and ROCE of 25.2% and 18.7%, indicating good profitability, and EPS is 46.4, reasonably strong, showing good earning capacity per share. Whereas the stock PE is 19.5, slightly lower than the industry average for quality financial service firm, making it fairly valued. Price earning growth PEG ratio is 0.8 to 1. Anything below 1 indicates undervaluation relative to growth rate. 5 years profit growth is 68.7%, very strong long-term growth trend, and recently there is a slight decline in the latest profit growth. Debt to equity ratio is moderate, like 1.33 is the debt to equity ratio. Leverage is mainly from its lending and housing finance business. Debt to profit ratio is 5.89, which indicates debt is quite high compared to annual profit, but still manageable for a financial service company. So now talking about its price target outlook, can it reach rupees 1100 or 1200? As of August 9, 2025, stock closed at 905 rupees. There can be a potential rise of 1060 and 1100 rupees. Can say 15 to 20% upside. Talking about the resistance and support level, resistant here is 934, 941 and 954, whereas the support it takes is 889, 869 and 854. I think 1060 is feasible in short to medium term with market improvement, and if momentum continues post Q2 and Q3 earnings, 1200 plus could be attainable, especially on sustained earnings growth and digital traction. So my final verdict is Motilal Oswal is a strong and trustworthy company with strengths in research, brand value and a diversified business model. However, in today's digital first world, it must invest in technology and improve user interface to stay competitive. And if the market performs well and company accelerates its digital push, it could scale to new heights. So friends, I have explained everything about Motilal Oswal in detail and also shared its future price target with you. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, and of course subscribe to the channel for more such valuable updates. This support will really motivate me to bring even better content. Thank you.